Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're into camping, outdoor cooking, or just love to be prepared for any outdoor adventure, you know how important it is to have a reliable stove on hand. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Coleman PerfectFlow 2-burner camp stove and grill, an option that's been making waves for campers and outdoor enthusiasts in 2025. Stick around to find out if this is the right stove for your next adventure. Starting off with the design and portability, the Coleman PerfectFlow stove features a 2-burner setup with an integrated grill. It's compact enough to fit in your car trunk without taking up too much space, and it's fairly lightweight for easy carrying. One of the best things about this stove is its foldable lid and side wind guards, which make setup and packing down a breeze. Plus, the sturdy metal design means it's built to last in rugged outdoor conditions. But how does it perform when it's time to cook? Let's find out. This is where the PerfectFlow system really shines. Coleman has designed this stove to maintain steady heat output, even in colder conditions or at higher altitudes. Each burner puts out 10,000 BTUs, allowing you to boil water on one side and grill on the other simultaneously. The controls are precise, making it easy to adjust the flame based on what you're cooking. In our tests, it boiled water in around 8 minutes and had no problem grilling meat evenly. Whether you're cooking up a hot breakfast or a quick lunch, this stove has you covered. Now let's talk fuel. The PerfectFlow technology isn't just about maintaining even heat, it's also designed for efficiency. This stove is compatible with standard 16-ounce propane cylinders, and depending on usage, you can expect it to last for up to 2 hours on high. So if you're planning a short camping trip, one cylinder might be all you need. And for longer adventures, packing an extra is easy, given the compact size. If fuel efficiency is important to you, this stove delivers. After a long day of cooking, cleaning up isn't always fun, but Coleman has made it a bit easier. The chrome-plated grate and aluminum grill are removable, which means you can easily wipe down and wash each part. The drip tray underneath catches grease, and with a quick cleanup, it's good as new. For those who like to keep things low maintenance on their trips, this stove keeps it simple. So what's the price? For a 2-burner camp stove and grill with this level of performance, the Coleman PerfectFlow offers great value, especially if you're a frequent camper or outdoor cook. While prices may vary, it's generally positioned in the mid to upper price range for camp stoves. If you're ready to pick up one for yourself, I've included a link in the description that'll take you to our shop. Check it out to learn more and snag a great deal. In summary, the Coleman PerfectFlow 2-burner camp stove and grill combines performance, portability, and ease of use into one reliable package. It's perfect for campers, outdoor cooks, or anyone needing a portable stove for outdoor events. If you're looking for a dependable, versatile camp stove, the PerfectFlow is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details, and as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've used this stove or have any questions. See you next time.